Okay, time for another quick video, this time on the Govee RGBICW floor lamp basic. I picked one of these up recently during one of the sales and it was quite heavily discounted, as Govee items often are. So yeah, I thought I'd pick it up and see what it's like. So in this video, let's unbox it. I'll show you what you get inside it. I'm assuming there's going to be some assembly required because there's no way it fits into this box without some assembly being needed. Then let's get it added to the app, get it set up and see what it's like. Okay, hopefully you can see that. So let's have a look. All right, so inside the box, we have what looks like the LED strip, a manual. Oh wow, okay, let me get all this stuff out and then we can go through it. Okay, hopefully you can see this. So you get a base here with the controller attached. The base is, the bottom of the base is plastic, but it looks like everything else is metal, because you also get these elements here, which obviously fit together to create the actual the main lamp. And then a whole load of fixing material, you know, some fixing hardware to attach everything together. British power plug, because I'm based in the UK, and then the actual LED strip itself, which then must plug into here. We've also got the manuals. I think I'm going to have a very quick look at the manual, just to make sure I'm doing this in the right order, and then I'll get on and actually build it. I'll try and record it while I'm building it, but it might be a little bit difficult. So yeah, let's give it a go and see what it looks like. Right, just to quickly show you how this is working, you can probably see it down here. It's very simple, but this is the main structure of the lamp is made out of sections, and it's all metal. And what you get is you get these securing brackets. And what you need to do, just slot it into the structure, align it with the two holes back there, screw that in, and then you can put the next segment of the lamp on top and then screw it on. So let me see if I can do that. It might be a little bit difficult on camera, but let me see. Okay. I've tried to lock the focus on this, so hopefully you'll be able to see what's going on. But right, so what you do is you just, you do need about 4 hands, obviously, but just slide that in, align it with the hole, screw the screw in, which then secures you just screw the screw in, which then secures the mounting bracket to the actual lamp. Just move that up a bit so you can see. There we go. So there's 2 screws on each element of the lamp. Okay, and then you just slide the next element of the lamp on top. And then attach the 2 screws to that. And there are 4 elements in total, so you just keep on repeating until you get to the top. Govee also provide the screwdriver. So everything you've got, it comes with the pack. The screwdriver isn't great, but it does the job. Okay, so that's the structure all built. So hopefully you can see that. So it just goes up. There are 4 elements and it goes all the way to the top. This is quite nice. It's a powder-coated metal, so it feels pretty decent quality. It does wobble a bit, but I'm guessing that once it's in place, it should be fine. Right. Next thing to do is to attach the light strip. I'm going to just reattach. Let me see if I can set up the camera so you can see the whole thing again. Okay. So for the light strip, it says to first connect it at the bottom, push the top and the bottom in first, and then push the middle in and then push the rest in afterwards. So there's no glue here, which is interesting. I thought we'd have to stick it in, but it doesn't look like there's no 3M tape or anything. It just clips in. Right, there we go. Hopefully that's in focus, and hopefully you can see that it's quite, it's nice. It fits nicely. It's all, yeah, it looks very good once it's set up. Just make sure that's all in focus. So yeah, and it goes right from the very bottom here. Let me take this off as well. Okay, goes right from the very bottom, fits in nicely and nice and snugly, all the way up, right to the very top here. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Right, I think now let's plug it in and see if it works. Okay, let's turn this on. Hey, there we go. Definitely works. Right, let me share my phone screen. Right, so we're in the Govee app. Let's see if we can find this and add it in. Right, immediately found it, which is excellent. Govee is the setup process is always so straightforward. Anyway, here we go. It's found it here. Let's click on add. The device is pairing. Please short press the on-off button. There we go. I'm going to call it Study Govee Floor Lamp. Oops. Done. Right, let me just quickly add it to my Wi-Fi. Okay, it's added to the Wi-Fi and it's immediately told me there's a new firmware version, so let's upgrade that. Okay, so I've just turned off the lights and made the room a bit darker so that we can see the light more clearly. But you can see it's now set up within the app. There's lots of options here. The simplest is this illumination tab, where we've got just different color temperatures of white light. So great for if you're wanting to just simple lighting. And it looks like you can create a new custom temperatures as well, which is good. Okay, so what other options we got? Some of the more interesting options. We got simple colors by the look of it. So we can just pick presets. That's pretty cool. It's very responsive. Hopefully it's coming across in this video, but it's a really bright light as well. It's especially as it's indirect, it's obviously reflecting off the wall, and yet it's very bright. That's great. What else? Scenes. Obviously we can pick one of the preset scenes, and there are, as with all Govee apps, or Govee lights, there are tons of these to choose from. So let's choose movie. So that's like a blue light that's cycling. Actually, it's cycling through a number of lights. It's now purple. A number of colors. It's now purple. Tunnel. Game. And you can choose different speeds as well, which is cool. Yeah, high is very fast, so I think I probably want it to be a bit slower. Okay. And you got, yeah. There's almost too many options here. It's amazing. Let's do a cherry blossom. Night. Okay. Let's jump across to festival. So it's coming up to Halloween. So what does that look like? That's pretty cool. Hopefully that's coming out in the video, but it's quite an orangey light. It might look a little bit white in the video, but it's actually very orange. It's Christmas. Excellent. Okay. So you can sync it up with music, or let's do finger sketch. So in finger sketch, you can create your own. Let's make half of it green. Maybe the other half red. There you go. Now you can see it cycling up, or you can make it gradient. I guess that might go gradient between the two. Or cycle. Very cool. So you can set timers, so it comes on and off at a certain time. Yeah, I like this. This seems to be working very well, especially considering the price. There are other lamps that look very similar to this for significantly more money. They're 3 or 4 times the amount that I spent on this lamp, and I struggle to see how those more expensive ones could possibly be that much better than this. So yeah, it's bright, It's colourful. The colours are very vibrant, and it can definitely be used both either for lighting a room for productivity, you know, for work, and also for relaxing and unwinding in an evening. So yeah, very good. Okay, so that's how to set up the Govee floor lamp basic and then control it from the Govee app. I actually use Home Assistant within my home. So as a separate video, I'm going to show you how I integrate my Govee lights into Home Assistant and then control them from smart switches and buttons. So keep an eye out for that video. It'll be coming soon. And yeah, if any questions, let me know in the comments below. I hope this video has been useful. Please do like and subscribe if it has, and more videos coming along very soon.